Unraveling the meaning of hardwired. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is engaging and fun. Today, we're going to unravel the intriguing concept of being hardwired. Have you ever wondered what it really means when someone says that we are hardwired to do something? It's a fascinating phrase that pops up in various contexts, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it implies and how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's dive right in. Before we understand what hardwired means today, it's important to know where it comes from. The term hardwired originally referred to the fixed wiring of an electronic system. Imagine the internal wiring of a computer or a machine that is set up to perform specific tasks. It can't easily be changed or reprogrammed. It's permanent. Now, when we take this concept into the realm of human behavior and traits, hardwired takes on a more metaphorical meaning. When a person is said to be hardwired for a particular behavior, it means that this behavior is innate, almost instinctual. It's a part of who they are and is as natural to them as breathing. For example, if we say, humans are hardwired for connection, we mean that people naturally seek relationships and bonding with others. To truly grasp the use of hardwired, let's see it in action within some sentences. She's hardwired to rise early. She's been an early bird since childhood. Our brains are hardwired to recognize patterns. Some say that humans are hardwired for storytelling. In each case, hardwired indicates a deep-rooted, almost unchangeable trait or tendency. It's crucial to note that saying someone is hardwired for something doesn't strip away personal responsibility or the ability to change. It's not to say that change is impossible, but rather that there is a strong natural inclination towards certain behaviors or thoughts. For instance, if we say, he is hardwired to be meticulous in his work, it doesn't mean he can't choose to be more relaxed. It simply points out his natural tendency. And there you have it, a closer look at what it means to be hardwired. This term is a wonderful example of how language evolves from the literal to the metaphorical, enriching our conversations with vivid imagery. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, hardwired, with confidence. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more English language insights. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the depths of this beautiful language.